Chapter 2, The Wonderland of Pictures. In this chapter, we are going to learn how to edit pictures. Activity 2.1, Let's get a picture. We can get a picture in computer in different methods. Capture a photo using digital camera is a method. Scan a picture from a book is another method. Or you can draw a picture in computer. Some pictures are given in the image editing folder in school resources for standard 8. First open the folder and double click on the pictures. First open the home folder, then school resources, then standard 8, then open image editing. You can see different pictures there. Double click in any of that picture, then it is opened in a software. Then click in the help menu, then about. You can see the software's name is Image Viewer. There are so many softwares available in computer to perform editing task. Some examples are given here: GIMP, Inkscape, Xpaint, MyPaint, Pencil, etc. In this chapter, we are going to use GIMP software. GIMP is the short form of GNU Image Manipulation Program. GIMP is a graphic editor software used for editing photographs. It is a free software. It was released in 1996. First, its name was General Image Manipulation Program. Later, it is modified as GNU Image Manipulation Program. Now, let's move on to next activity. Let's open a picture in GIMP. To open GIMP, click Applications, then Graphics menu, then select GIMP Image Editor software. Now, the window of GIMP software is opened. Then click File, then Open. Then take School Resources, then select the folder and select the image from it. Now the picture is opened in GIMP window. Activity 2.3, let's prepare a duplicate image. For that, click on the duplicate option in the image menu. Take the image menu, then select duplicate. Now the duplicate of the image is obtained. You can see the title of the image is Untitled. Next activity, let's edit an image. At first, let's cut the part of image. It can be done using the crop tool. First, select the crop tool, then drag the mouse and mark the part, then press Enter key. Now the image is opened in GIMP. Select the toolbox from the Windows menu. Then you can see different tools in the toolbox. We have to select crop tool to crop the image. Select the crop tool. Then mark the required part of the image by dragging the mouse. Now the selected part is cut by pressing the Enter key. You can see these are the tools in the toolbox of GIMP: rectangle select tool, move tool, crop tool, bucket fill tool, text tool, then blend tool, paintbrush tool, foreground and background colors tool. Next activity is let's resize an image. For that, select Scale Image from Image menu. Then enter the width and height in the columns provided. Select the image menu, then select Scale Image. Now enter the required width and height in the columns. While we enter a width, the height is automatically changed with respect to that. There is a link available to link the height and width. If we remove the link, we can enter width and height as we required. Now the picture is resized. Again we can scale. Now width is given as 600, height as 300, then click Scale button. Now it is resized. Now let's save the image we have edited. We can save the image in Home folder in our class folder. Click File, then Save, then select the folder where we want to save. Give the file name. Select the suitable folder. Select the images folder, then click Save. Now our image is saved. We can open the image. You can see the image is saved as man.xcf. XCF is the file format of image that we will save in GIMP software. Next activity, let's identify file format. We have already seen the file format of the image that we saved in our folder is .xcf. So XCF is the file extension that is to indicate that is file created in GIMP.